Tucked away in South Mississippi, we're building a life rooted in simplicity, family, and the land. We're the Searcy family, homesteaders on a mission to grow food, raise animals, and live a little closer to nature. On our channel, you're going to find gardening how-tos, seasonal planting tips, DIY builds for barns, coops, and more, real-life lessons in self-sufficiency, and a whole lot of farm fresh chaos along the way. Subscribe and grow with us at Oak Haven Homestead, where simple living is the richest kind.